Okay, today is Tuesday, and it is, I'm going to say April the 5th. And Hero is coming up. Took about, maybe about 15 minutes today. There's a lot of activity out. Today is a beautiful day. And you can see him hiding behind the tree right there. You can see over to the side, way in the way back, somebody's going up and down with their tractor out here. And motorcycles are out again today. It's such a beautiful day. It's about 58 degrees. Here I was checking out. I put some of my work jeans out there today. Decided to keep it kind of simple. Move the t-shirt. I try to change it. Oh, here I can see that there's little pieces of hot dogs out in the grass today. I know I've said that. It amazes me that he'll be eating and he can smell that food, and then he comes in and stops and smells food in the grass while his nose is in the food. I think that's working. I think it's getting him closer and closer to the house, and he's almost making a game out of it. Hope it'll reduce his anxiety there. Yesterday I sat and I narrated. Oh, of course it was the best narration ever because I didn't hit the record button. But we had a lot of great suggestions from people. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but some people had mentioned about putting in some chewable medicine in for the dog into the bowl for fleas, and I thought that would be a good idea, so I'm going to get that going. Next, somebody worried about the water, and the situation was, if you saw earlier ones, since fall I was putting out fresh water every day in a big 5-gallon bucket. I'd fill it near the brim and take it out there, and the next day it would be frozen, and I'd redo it and melt it out and do it again. But what ended up happening was the dog would never take a sip out of it. So I started putting pieces of bread floating in the water with little scraps of meat on top, so he'd at least get a mouthful of water when he chewed the bread. I found out later that the dogs just eat snow in the winter. The Huskies do. They're known for eating snow in the winter to use that for their water when things are frozen over. And then later on, when ponds, and there's a couple creeks and ponds back behind us, he'll drink out of there. The neighbors say that that's where they see him drinking from. I'll kind of recheck my facts, but from what I was reading, it said that Huskies were really introduced into Alaska in about early 1900s, and that's the first time they were really in the country, and then started using them from Siberia sled dogs to Alaskan sled dogs. I think that's about the limit where I put the hot dog pieces. A few mornings with the snow right below us where these shingles are, that's kind of a covered porch, and we saw footprints right next to the porch. So sometimes at night, I think he comes up all the way to the porch. He's like, "Hey, what are these work jeans doing here?" Oh, Hero sure is camouflaged in that woods, just about the perfect color of bark and stripped bark. Okay, good day. See you Wednesday.